Hello and good morning. It's Keith here with PromptROI, and I wanted to make this quick video because I'm sitting here and it's Friday morning, it's early, and I have been just throwing myself into everything web marketing, like all of the things that we do here. I'm like literally injecting myself everywhere, trying to get greater insights with all of this new AI stuff, right? Coming back, I love the fact that we can go back through our business, through our systems, through our processes, and we can sort of embed AI in there. And I want to give you a little bit of a look into how I create prompts. And I'd love to hear from you too, because I'm sort of in a vacuum here. I don't have a lot of people around me that are using prompts, creating prompts, other than you guys online, right? Most people don't even know what I'm talking about. So let me know what you're doing, and let's compare notes, right? That's kind of the goal. So here's the deal. We're working on a site, and we have this About Us page. And I want to just first say, I know that these are not good enough. Okay. They're not good. They're just not there yet. Right. Like why do these people have, a picture of a work truck in their living room, right? Like weird stuff like that. But that's not the point of this video, because I want to show you sort of how I go about creating prompts, and like I do it in a way where it's going to be applicable to building a site, right? So if I come in and I build this site, we already wrote all the copy for this site using a prompt, right? So I come down here and this section right here needs a photo. So what do? In my mind, I'm like, well, I want to take the text here and sort of use that with AI, and then have the AI sort of kind of give me some feedback on what it thinks I should do, and so on and so forth. So the first step is I go in and I create a prompt, and I went in and I created one in this white label version of PromptROI here that we use every day. And I made 3 prompts. Okay. So let's go here. We have photo ideas. Okay. We have photo prompt, and then we have create photo. So essentially, and this might end up being 2 prompts, right? I can already kind of feel that I'm going to be able to combine 1 and 2 together. It's okay in the beginning to play around. You're not going to break anything, eliminate the fear and just try stuff, right? So my thinking here was, okay, the first prompt, I want to take the text from the page and put it in there and get some photo ideas, right? Then I want to take those photo ideas, and I want to have the AI give me an actual prompt that will give me a realistic photo, right? And I'm still working on that. And any help is definitely appreciated. So hit me up in my DMs on Facebook. And then the third prompt here is a DALL-E 3 prompt that runs to take this prompt and create a photo. Okay, so it's ideas from the text, create a prompt with the idea that I like, and then create a photo with that prompt. All right, I hope that makes sense. So let's dive in. So the first prompt here is photo ideas. I'm going to come down, and we're just going to take the text from the page and paste it in. We're going to tell it the business type. So we're going to say home, flooring, and residential painting. Interior painting. And we're going to say the page type is an About Us page, and the section name is just going to be whatever this is called. So celebrating milestones, right? So let's go celebrating milestones, and we're going to hit generate. So this is going to go ahead, it's going to run, and it's going to give us 5 image ideas for this particular section of the website. So let's see what it comes up with. All right. So we have timeline collage of past projects, community engagement photos, team at work, customer testimonials with candid imagery, awards and certificates. Okay, these are all good, right? And by the way, if we don't create something with AI, it's a great jogger for your customer, right? If you're an agency, which I hope you are, because it's the way to build a really nice life for yourself. And if you're not following me, get in touch, because I'm building a training program right now to show you guys how we built $1 million agency. And you can do it too. And it doesn't involve high ticket. Yay. You can sell low ticket all day long and build residues. Okay. So these are the text. Now I'm going to take this text. I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to come down, because I always use my notes. I'm just going to paste that down there. Now, which one of these do I like? Well, let's say community engagement one's pretty cool. Okay, so let's take that one. Now we're going to go back over to our categories. We're going to go over to website. I'm going to put these in photos, but right now I got them in website. And then I'm going to go to photo prompt. This is where we're going to say, okay, image suggestion. We're going to paste in that image prompt suggestion it gave us. We're going to take the section text as well, and we're going to paste that in here. So let's paste that in. Business type, again, is just home, flooring, and interior painting. Site page is about us, and the section type is celebrating milestones. Okay, and let's hit generate. So this is going to go ahead and write a prompt for us that will be good for DALL-E 3 so that we can plug it into the third prompt here and get an image for this section of the site. Okay, so we are seeking a compelling photorealistic image. Okay, this is the DALL-E 3 prompt. Okay, so I'm going to take that and we're going to go back over and run that through the third prompt here. So let's go here. Here it is. And we are going to plug in the image prompt and the aspect ratio that it's probably not going to give to me. I'm going to ask for 1920 by 1080, which is really a size, but it's probably not going to give it. But we'll try it. So I set this prompt up to give me one photo. If you're building out your own PromptROI marketplace with your own prompts, or you're using our collections of prompts, you can create up to 4 images in one run, and you can choose the size of the images. If you want smaller or larger images, you can have those as well, up to 1024 pixels. And we'll keep updating that as AI updates their OpenAI rather updates their goodies. Okay, and I'm already not crazy about this, but yeah, that's just over the top, right? Absolutely insane. But there's the image. Now, let's say I liked it, right? So I would just say like celebrating. I mean, obviously the celebrating milestone, so I guess it's not that over the top now that I'm thinking about it. What did I ask for, right? But if I want to go in here now, I can come in and just pull this photo in, and let's just give it a shot. A lot of times I'd squash my photos too using Squash, which is a Mac image squasher, right? There we go, right? But you can see, like, you know, if these images with the next upgrade of DALL-E, say DALL-E 4, like we might be in business, right? Like in terms of being able to really, really utilize this. Now, we do utilize some of this, and I'm probably not prompting correctly to get that realistic image. I'm working on it, right? We're used to using Midjourney for everything, but it's coming to a time where I want to start using DALL-E 3. Midjourney is incredible. Like they look so real. But anyway, that's how that works. So when you're creating prompts, think it through, and then I might go back here and say, okay, how can I take the prompt 1 and 2 and combine those together so I can just run 2 prompts, right? Because I probably can do that, right? I probably can do that. So I would come back and I would start to break that down and say, okay, give me the photo ideas, but then I can't pick one, right? So there already I'm kind of shooting myself down on that idea. But anyway, I'm not going to make this video too long. I hope you guys have a great Friday. I know I'm busy, lots of appointments and lots of stuff going on. I'm super excited to keep building using AI. I mean, we're working on, clients right now that are not just the typical $99 a month client. We're working on a lot more higher end clients because of our ability not to create amazing photos, but to be able to whip up effective, and that's the key word, right? Effective materials that can be tested, iterated, improved, and show them, hey, look, we made this better, right? If you own an agency and you're not showing them what is going on, if you have no accountability because you think that's easier and they won't see, and I'm not saying that's you, but you know what I mean? It's easy to go, well, we'll just see if they're happy, they're happy. No, if you can measure it, you can manage it. So show them what's going on and then show them how you improve it, right? And that's the key to long-term stickiness with very, very low, less than 0.5% monthly churn is low in my opinion. So, that's how we do that, is by measuring opportunities. Now with AI, it's even better because we can iterate so fast and we can test right away. Boom, boom, right? Boom, boom. There we go. We're up and running, and then we can see, oh, that didn't work, or yeah, that worked really well, or you know what? Hey, that worked. This is how that worked. Let's go see if we can beat it. That's the best way to approach that, right? This is what we got from that. let's go see if we can do better with some other iteration of that advertising campaign or that funnel or whatever it might be. So anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next one.